I have not been away from Yellowknife in a long time. My father is flying to Red Deer, Alberta, to our main base, our main maintenance base. We have to go to Edmonton to do some meetings for the new Boeing that's coming, but the first stop is Red Deer. You know, it's been 962 days since we saw DTD. So I wanted to make sure to show everybody that the thing still exists.
Mikey, is that good?
Ronnie, what's happening?
I'll just come see you guys.
We'll come see if DTD's still here.
Yeah, it's still here. Nothing's been touched on it. Both heads is propped still on it.
What's this thing behind you?
Where?
This thing. What is that? Oh, there's more Converse. What's going on with those things?
Well, we got 4 Converse here, and there's 4 more coming.
We got some ducks. Oh wow, you got everything going, eh?
We painted up our card, same as yellow, same as the cat sleeping there lost.
So Ronnie, what do you think about just the one 737?
I've been wondering how long it'll take before the second one shows up, because you think back, like the DC-4, the DC-3, the 46, it wasn't long before, like a year or two, we've had a second one would show up, and then sometimes 3 and then 4 of them, and so it's probably not going to be very long before you get a second one up there.
Well, there she is. What do you think, Ronnie?
Yeah, she'll fly again. We can make her fly. I said she would, so there you go. Yeah, I knew she would, so just.
Oh, Ronnie, your brother didn't steal the rudder?
No, he can't. We're not going to let him. It's staying on there.
But maintaining airplanes like this is just a whole different universe. You know, you've got to start making things from scratch, and you know, and parts aren't available. I mean, it's really it's completely a labor of love. It really is.
Yeah, I remember the one time we were in here, and remember the squirrel was living up there? There now, it's no squirrels in her yet. So she's been sitting for a bit, but she's all complete, folks. We can fire her up and go right now if we wanted to. Everybody here's been taking very good care of her. Look, Wilson's there. What do you think, Ronnie? Think she'll fly again?
Yep. Oh yeah, we're gonna fly it this fall. After I come back from Quebec, we're gonna fly.
Have people been asking you about it, and people have been coming by? And
oh yeah, there's a lot of people coming to see this thing.
Let's see. No squirrels in the cockpit?
No, there's no mice, no squirrels.
This is so awesome. So awesome. We spent a lot of time in this thing, eh? Well, not really. 56 days, not too long, eh?
Yeah.
How's no bums using the toilet?
No, there's nobody in there.
Yeah, remember Stella had to clean the toilet there?
Yeah. Somebody was using it, we didn't know who.
There, E&A. There we go. Well, Ronnie, I think, yeah, after you're back from fire contract, get going. The paint job held up pretty good, eh? The boys and Stella's paint worked out pretty good. That's what this airplane represents, is the people that worked on it, you at home that washed it in the fall. We'll clean her up. You guys can come down. We'll fire it up and go for a spin, and we can see this thing fly again. Wouldn't that be awesome? Yeah, it would be.
All we gotta do is get you people out there to put that COVID away. Make sure it doesn't come back. Then we'll go fly.
Benjamin's tail cone is still on there too.
Oh yeah, he spent a long time on that tail cone, eh?
Yeah, he spent 56 days with the tail cone.